Hi, I'm Jerome Wren from Carmody Groarke Architects. I was project architect for Bethanl Green Road, which we're really happy to have won today. The project is a office, a mixed-use retail at the ground floor, and offices above. It's a retrofit of a 1960s textiles warehouse. The client expressed from quite an early stage an interest in preserving a lot of the existing fabric. So the project keeps all of the structure, keeps a lot of the existing masonry, replaces all of the windows and doors for the lower portion, and then the massing idea is to double that. So we've created a 3-story extension which mirrors a lot of the proportions of the lower building, and that entire top bit is clad in galvanized steel. We use a combination of 10mm and 3mm bent metal work, and we've dimensioned the panels with the maximum bath sizes of the galvanizing in mind. They have been also thought through so that they kind of perform and weather in the best possible way. So the fixing points were calculated with that in mind too, and we rather like it.